this world around you. Through my eyes, my whole view. The place I love, the place I cling to. Like October skies, fumbling, lost all track of space and time. And I know how things must seem so fragile in our shell. Journey to ourselves. So how can I help watching the clouds pass through? No clue of the time, no reason to be subdued. We all know the skies for the first time. They draw the lines, just read in between. I'm chasing you. Myself, hold my breath before I die. Like jellyfish beneath the surface, the sparks that make us thrive.